What's going on, YouTube? It's your boy Joseph here with Washpreneurs. I should have to explain what we got going on today. You can already see behind me. We are making some money. All right. So we got this driveway clean we got going on. Standard 2-car driveway. We actually got this lead today. We got the SH down. We use about 10% SH. We're pulling it right out of the pump sprayer here. And I just bought a ball valve. If you guys don't know what that is, it's obviously a ball valve that helps shut it off, on and off the water when you're transitioning from your surface cleaner to your gun. So make sure you guys have that. It's very essential. Secondly, take a look at this driveway. You know, there's a couple things you wanna account for when you come here. I'm already noticing things like this. Is a dip in the concrete, so a lot of the water is gonna be standing. You know, that's the type of stuff that you want to just think about as you're getting into the job, so that you don't waste time on the job not even realizing it was there. Okay, I want to go ahead and thank Jobber for helping me book this job and helping me keep my clientele organized and also keep my customers up to date on what I'm doing, right? So as you can see here, good morning, Jacob, right? We have quotes, we have the health of our business, like all that stuff matters, right? And this is all examples. And you can go ahead here and schedule all your jobs here. You can show a list, or you can even show a map of where you are, and it will go ahead and have pins on the map of where your jobs are located, okay? Also, a very great feature that I love about Jobber is that you get to track your time. And so with this here, you get to see how long you've been on the job. So just for this job today, we've been here 38 minutes, okay? And that is very essential if you want to get better, if you want to scale your business. You want to know how fast you're getting these jobs done. You want to know if you're taking longer or you're getting faster, right? And that's exactly what Jobber helps you do. So don't wait on it. Don't be a solopreneur. Get some help. Click the link down below for a free 14-day trial and also 20% off your first 6 months. Let's go. All right, guys, all wrapped up for today. As you can see here, it's not even 1 p.m. yet, and we are done, okay? So that is the point, man. Go out there, go hustle, go make that money. It's all around for you, okay? Take a look at this driveway, how clean it is. It's beautiful. So if you guys want to learn how to make a driveway this clean, what are you waiting for to hit that subscribe button? Also, just hit the subscribe button, man. We out of here.